Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are opening a 3 legendary birds 2-pack, or back and back to the front. So our promos are Galarian Moltres, Galarian Articuno and Galarian Zapdos with a coin inside and 2 packs. Let's get into it. Okay, so we have a Fusion Strike pack. Ain't seen these in a while. Oh my days, an Astral Radiance pack as well from Sword and Shield. So we have Galarian Moltres, lovely. Hollow Galarian Moltres, Hollow Galarian Moltres. I meant to say Zapdos Galarian. Coin, lovely. Okay, so we have our QR code. And Galarian Articuno, lovely. So, let's see guys. So we have 2 pretty old packs from before Scarlet and Violet was a thing. So we have Sword and Shield packs. Yeah, so let's get into it. Fusion Strike pack first. We have our QR code, lads. QR codes. Full to the front, guys. Okay, let's see. Steel Energy. Pongoro. Skaters Park. Coolsfire. Wooloo. Pansage. Klefki. Slizzlipede. Geodude. Reversal of Steelix and Virizion. Okay. Let's put Fusion Strike to a side. Let's get into our Sword and Shield Astral Radiance pack. QR code. Full to front. Leaf Energy. Noctowl. Hippowdon. Dartrix. Hisuian Quillfish. Hisuian Growlithe. Burmite. Rufflet. Ponyta. Hisuian Electrode Reversal and Hollow Wardeer. Okay, let's gather everything together, guys, for you. So we have our coin, Starfetched coin, Hollow Wardeer, Hollow Articuno Galarian form Moltres Hollow, and Galarian form Zapdos Hollow. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.